French croissants are a staple of French cuisine and are enjoyed all over the world. These buttery, flaky pastries are an essential part of breakfast and are also a popular snack or dessert. In this essay, we'll explore the history, recipe, and cultural significance of French croissants. The history of French croissants can be traced back to the 19th century. Legend has it that croissants were created in Vienna, Austria, in 1683, to celebrate the defeat of the Ottoman Empire. The croissant was designed to resemble the crescent moon that appears on the Ottoman flag. However, the croissant as we know it today was not invented until much later. The first modern croissant was created in France in the 19th century. In 1839, an Austrian officer named August Zahn opened a bakery in Paris, where he introduced the croissant to the French. Zahn's croissants were made with a rich, buttery dough that was folded and rolled multiple times, creating the distinctive layers that make croissants so flaky and delicious. Over time, French bakers refined the recipe and technique for making croissants, and they became an essential part of French cuisine. Today, croissants are enjoyed all over the world, but they are especially popular in France, where they are often served for breakfast with coffee or tea. The recipe for French croissants is deceptively simple. It involves just a few ingredients: flour, butter, yeast, sugar, salt, and water. However, the key to making good croissants is in the technique. The dough must be folded and rolled multiple times, incorporating layers of butter to create the flaky texture that is characteristic of croissants. To make croissants, the dough is first mixed and kneaded, then rolled out into a thin sheet. Butter is then added to the dough in layers, and the dough is folded and rolled multiple times. This process, known as lamination, creates the layers of flaky pastry that make croissants so delicious. Once the dough has been laminated, it is shaped into crescents and left to rise. The croissants are then brushed with an egg wash and baked until they're golden brown and flaky. The result is a buttery, flaky pastry that is perfect for breakfast or any time of day. In addition to being delicious, French croissants are also culturally significant. They are an essential part of French cuisine, and are often associated with Parisian cafes and the French way of life. Croissants are also seen as a symbol of French sophistication and elegance, and are a popular food item for tourists visiting France. In recent years, there has been some controversy surrounding the use of frozen croissant dough in bakeries. While some purists argue that frozen dough cannot match the quality of fresh, handmade croissants, others point out that frozen dough can help to ensure consistency and efficiency in large-scale bakeries. Despite these debates, there's no denying that French croissants are a beloved food item that have stood the test of time. Whether you enjoy them fresh from the bakery or make them at home, croissants are a delicious and satisfying treat that will always be a part of French cuisine and culture.